Staying on top of your revenue management strategy is hard when time is short and you lack the right tools. But did you know that hoteliers who switch to a RMS generally experience a RevPAR increase between 7 and 20%? Accelerate specially designed an RMS for busy professionals that brings all the key revenue management features like business intelligence and yield management modules, AI forecast and price recommendation, integrations with rate shoppers, channel managers, and more. But that's not all. We've created the new generation of RMS. Accelerate has a complete project management feature, which helps you go beyond price and maintain alignment with your team's pipeline, focusing on your hotel strategy. And now Accelerate has taken it to another level with Revenue Strategy Assistant new feature. The Revenue Strategy Assistant can help you get all the answers about your revenue performance with the RMS Data CO-PILOT. And if you need further guidance, the options within Strategy Tips and Tricks help you with questions about job procedures or any other daily advice required. But there's more. It also answers any questions about system functionalities. Or you can ask anything related to revenue management, leaving microanalysis and manual data extraction behind, to allow hoteliers to focus on strategy the modern way.